Hey, so yesterday and the day before we've been practicing doing the vowel, consonant, vowel pattern, and today we're doing the same thing, but we're going to be doing it with the letter O and U. And yesterday we did it with I and E, and the day before that we did it with A, and today we're doing it with O and U. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and look at these words. Look at this first one with the F. We're going to practice coding with the vowel, consonant, vowel pattern. What do you see? What obvious codes do you see in that very first word with the F? What do you see? Yeah, I see a suffix ing. So I'm going to go ahead and code that suffix ing with a box because suffixes go in box. And remember, suffix ing means it's happening right now. Okay, what else do you see? Yeah, I see the C, and I see that it has a U behind it, so I know that this C is making the K sound. So I'm going to go ahead and code it with a K back. Okay? And we're going to go ahead and label our vowels and our consonant. How many vowels do you see? Yeah, I see 2 vowels. I see O, consonant, vowel, U. We're going to go ahead and divide our vowels. And how would we code our vowels in this word? Yeah, the O would get a macron and an accent because it's open. And the U would get a bereave. Is it saying it's short sound because the S right here is stopping it. So let's sound this word out phonetically. Are you ready? F, O, K, S, ing. Say it a little bit faster. Ready? F, O, K, sing. Focusing. Yes, focusing. So this word was kind of big, but we were able to phonetically sound it out using our vowel, consonant, vowel pattern and our obvious code. So let's go ahead and do that with this word. What do you see in this word? Do you see any obvious codes in this word? Yeah, I don't see any either. But I do see this C. And there's nothing stopping it over here. So this C is going to be making the K sound. So we're going to go ahead and code it with a K back, okay? Now let's go ahead and look and do our vowels for this word. How many vowels do you see in this word? Yep, I see 2. Vowel, vowel. And then we're going to put our consonant S with a C. Now let's go ahead and practice dividing the syllable with the syllable the division line. Where would I put my syllable division line? Yeah, I would put it right here behind the U. Awesome. And I would code my U with a macron and an accent and code my I with a bereave. Now let's sound this out. Ready? M, U, S, I, K. Music. Yeah, music. Okay, I like to listen to music. Awesome. Now, we're going to practice one more time with our vowel, consonant, vowel rule. This one's going to be a sentence. All right, here is our sentence. Holy guacamole, that is a lot to try to read. So let's go ahead and figure this out. In this first word right here, what do you see? This M word. Yeah, I see the letter Y. And remember, the letter Y acts as a vowel at the end of the word. And is it a 1-syllable word or a 2-syllable word? Yeah, it's a 1-syllable word. M. And then if we know if it's a 1-syllable word, the Y is going to say I. M, I, my. 1 syllable. My. Yes. And so when the I makes the I sound, we code it with a dot and a macaron. Okay? Dot and a macaron. So this word is M-I. And then we got to sound out, we got to phonetically code this word so we can sound it out. What do you see in this word? Yeah, I see a combination. Combination AR like in star. So let's go ahead and code what let's go ahead and read what we've coded so far. My yard. And then let's look at this word. This is a sight word. This is the word as, and you can sound that out. As. Okay? And I put that voice line on the S because the S is making the Z sound, so it's making the voice, your vocal cords will vibrate when you say that sound, so we put the voice line on it. So let's read it. Ready? My yard has, and let's look at this word right here. What do you see in this word? Yeah, I see the vowel digraph EE. Awesome. Now let's read it again. Ready? My yard has green. And then let's look at this word right here. What do you see? Yep, I see combination ER. And I see a vowel, consonant, vowel pattern. I also see the C is going to make the K sound because of the L right here. That's not an E, I, or Y, so the C is going to say K. All right, now let's go ahead and divide it. Awesome. Remember, we don't code the E because the E is in the combination. So let's read what we have right here in this word. Let's phonetically sound it out. Ready? This is a blend. Clovers. And this S is making the Z sound, so we're going to put the voice line on it. Clovers. Now let's read the whole sentence together. Ready? My yard has green clovers. Awesome. And that is it for today. It gets easier and easier the more that we practice. So this lesson was a breeze because we've been practicing it all week. So like I said in the other video, I am going to upload your worksheet so you can spell your words and practice decoding on a sheet of paper and practice the reading comprehension on the back. This is what your worksheet's going to look like. All you're going to do is spell those 3 words, decode, read the passage, answer the questions, okay? And I'll put that in the Google slide for you so you'll have that. And that is it, and I will see you next time. Bye.